In this video, we'll show you how to remove the seat, access the battery compartment, replace the lock set, and restore everything correctly. First, remove the screws under the rear seat area. Keep all screws in a safe place for reinstallation. After removing the seat, you can see the battery compartment. Before charging the battery, make sure the battery is powered off.
Find the electric door lock, plug and unplug it.
Is this electric door lock. Take off this hat first and find a one-word screwdriver to resist this gap here. This place holds it back. Press like this. It's the same here. Press like this. The whole place just came out. Then take out the new electric door lock. Then just press it down. When you press down these two gaps, this gap is facing this gap. Then just press it directly. Then put this key on it